What is the resultant of a system of coplanar forces and how can it deduce? Okay, and we discuss about this topic in today's class. That is, we have to find out the resultant of a system of coplanar forces. Let the whiteboard is a plane, okay, and let a body in this plane like that, and a system of forces be act at A1, A2 to AN, right? And the forces are let P1, P2 to Pn. These are the forces, and A1, A2, AN are the point of application of the forces. Out of n coplanar forces P1, P2, Pn, we take here only one force Pi, which is act at AI, right? And then we sum or taking summation over all the forces from I equal to 1 to n. Then we get the total result or the result of the system of coplanar forces. Let the force Pi acting in the direction such that it makes angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, and this is the parallel line along x-axis, or this is the horizontal line, and let this is the vertical line through AI parallel to y-axis, and then the component of the force Pi along x-axis is Pi cos theta, and the component along y-axis is Pi sin theta, and let it angle be not theta only, this is theta, so this the component is cos theta and this is sin theta. Okay, now we name this force, this is equal to capital Xi, and this force, this is equal to capital Yi, capital Yi. Okay, now the point AI is of coordinate Xi, Yi. This means these are Xi and these are Yi, right? Now we take two pair of forces from O. One is, this is capital Xi, and also in this direction is capital Xi. We take two force, equal force and opposite force at O, so these forces are resolve one another. Okay, similarly we get another two force, this is Yi, and in this direction also a force, this is Yi, and these two forces also balance to each other. Okay, now if we see carefully that the force Xi, right, and this force Xi makes a couple like that. This is Xi, this force is Xi, and this is the arm of the couple, also this force is also Xi, and this length is Yi, right? This is Xi. So the couple of this moment, we know that the force is Xi and the arm of the couple is Yi, so the moment is Yi into Xi, and this is a negative couple because the sense of rotation at like this, okay, sense of rotation, and this is the clockwise rotation, so we take negative couple or negative moment of the couple. Okay, and clearly another couple is formed here. The another couple is arm is this Xi and the force is Yi, another force is also Yi. So here a couple like this, this is Yi, this is also Yi, and this is small xi, and the sense of rotation of this couple is anti-clockwise. So the moment of the couple is xi into yi, and this is positive couple. So the force at pi, we resolve it first, two forces along x-axis and y-axis, and now these two forces becomes two forces of two couple. So the total system is resolved only in three parts. At O, one part is a force xi, okay, that is the first part is a force xi at O along x-axis, okay, and second force is a force yi, this force at O along y-axis, and the third one is a couple of moment. Actually we get two couple. The first couple is this, the moment is xi yi, and the second couple is this, the moment is yi xi. So we add these two couple to get a single couple of moment xi into capital yi minus yi into capital xi. Okay, so the total system or the force at pi resolved into three parts. The first is this, second is this, and third is this. So if we consider the total system, that is the system of n forces P1, P2 to Pn, then we get, or then we say that the resultant system of coplanar forces can be resolved or resolved into three parts. The first part is a force capital X, this is equal to summation xi over I, or this is equal to summation pi cos theta along OX, that is the positive direction of x-axis, and the second is a force capital Y, this is summation I yi, this is summation pi sin theta, and this is along OY, right? And the third is this couple, a couple, it be denoted by G, and this is summation over I, this is xi yi minus yi xi, okay, couple of moment G, this is equal to summation I equal to xi yi minus yi xi, okay, and the total system or the resultant force can be drawn in a single figure by like this. This is O, this is capital X, this is capital Y, and this is the moment G. Now we can make a resultant force with X and Y, okay, by calculating like this. This is the resultant force R, this is given by root over of x square plus y square, okay, and this is along the line R through O, and the resultant force R makes angle theta with OX, where theta is given by, we know that theta is given by tan inverse y by x, okay. So we get the resultant of the system of coplanar forces, and this is the final result of the resultant of system of coplanar forces, okay. This is very important topic of statics. Thank you for watching.